Welcome to Poul's Kitchen. This is Chef Paul. With me is Chef Amy.
Hi.
And Chef Alex.
Hello.
So, as you recall, 2 weeks ago, Amy and I were set to make a peach iced tea. And we wanted to take our peach, we put it through our food processor. Our food processor broke.
It's more a month.
Yeah, it's probably closer to a month.
It's a month because I ordered this on the 18th.
But we'll get there, so...
All right.
But it broke. So we go to our blender. It broke. And yeah, it was a pain to get that video done because nothing worked. So Amy, being Amy, the queen of sales, the queen of getting things done, she ordered the Ninja blender. Now this is not a cheap blender. It's not a generic little thing, and it's actually, you know, quite the blender. So I figured if we're gonna get a $300 blender, we're gonna do a review on it. So we're gonna do a quick review on it. I'm not gonna use it on this because I really don't know that I have anything that I need to use right now. But
Scissor.
so we got the Ninja Professional Plus Blender Dual. So the only thing that could have been a little bit more epic on this is we got the one with the food processor built into it. But that was like another $100 on top of it. So yeah, we're not going to spend that. We did get the Ninja, what was it, the cutter? The smaller food processor, and it works great.
Yeah.
$30, can't go wrong. But, you know, Amy likes smoothies quite a bit. And when I say she likes smoothies quite a bit, I mean she likes smoothies quite a bit.
Mm-hmm.
So, take a look at the box here. And it actually came, you know, amazing quality. I mean, the box isn't beaten up, so I'm actually really, really happy. And we got a booklet, which is nice. When you get these, look through them, guys, because honestly, you'll get registration. The $300 blender, you want to register it, makes life easier if you need to have something fixed or replaced.
Mine we got for way less than that, but that's what it's worth.
Yeah, Amy's the queen of games, so.
Mm-hmm.
And Amy really is the queen of games. So it's got this little thing here.
That's a lid.
So yeah, so we'll get back to this part here. Now I'm gonna put this down on the floor.
Yeah.
I'm not gonna throw this box away because, well,
We're going to keep it.
yeah, it's not often I'm willing to spend money on buying like expensive things, but this will work as a food processor
And a blender.
and a blender, and you can do a lot with this. And it came really good pack. So I mean, this is picture. I mean, I don't know. This is glass. It isn't, but
No.
But it's a very sturdy plastic, so it should last. And
The blades.
the blades, 3 tiers of blades that go in this, like that's pretty good. Now, one thing I really like about this too. Okay, what does this say? If anything. Oh, okay. I know what that is. So this has to be lined up. So you just can't put it any ways you want. So over here, there's an arrow and an arrow on here. So you put this down
And that's how you shut the lid.
and push this up here. And if you think that you can do this, nope,
You can't.
you can't. It has to go here.
It has to line up.
And you have a little thing here so you can just pour, which is really cool. Amy's gonna love this. So it's pretty cool. And it's got a little measuring here so you can't go. Now, one thing I will tell you with any product, when it has a fill line, don't go past the fill line.
No, unless you want to spill it all over your counter.
It might not spill, but it can damage it too.
That too.
The engine's only going to do much, and if you try to overload it, well, will it do it? Probably. It is powerful, but it might cause issues too.
Yeah. Ooh. We can bring smoothies to work. Because guess what? We got 2 of those. The one for each of us.
Now how this works,
Yeah.
so you have one, and I'll show you a little bit more of that when and I can tell, and to be honest with you, I'm kind of cheating. My roommate has one of these, so I have used them before. I do know what I'm doing with them. It's not, now I don't think she has these, mind you, but
Nope.
but I do have, but I have used them before. She doesn't have these.
Nope.
So, like on this one, it's got the blade on here so that you can blend right in this. So you don't have to use this and then pour it into this. You can do it directly on this. And
then you just take the blade off and put the lid on. Right?
Yep. And this part is a beast.
It's heavy.
It's very heavy. And I'm going to show you a few things that I really, really like about it, because it's got some features on here that just make it really incredible. Suction, so that, and it's got different buttons on here, right?
And that's it.
Stick this on here, turn it on, and
you got a personal size smoothie.
Yeah. That's not the main reason I like this.
No.
There is a much better reason.
It's very powerful.
It's very powerful, but there's something even better. And this part is what really makes me happy with this. Put on like this.
And it snaps.
It snaps. So it's not going to go over the place. Now, you're obviously going to want to use this on a better table than this. But put it on something secure. Plug her in. Put your stuff in. Make sure this lines up. This. Then you choose what you want to do. If you want to use ice, put a bunch of your homemade sugar-free keto ice cream in. Put some fruit in here, and then choose one of these options on here. It is high powerful. Now,
high-powered, yeah.
Very high-powered. Now, some things to note: it is not a Vitamix. It's not restaurant quality. It is not your workhorse. So it's not gonna work for that, and nor should you try.
No.
But it will work really well for pretty much anything you have. If you watch other reviews of people making stuff, then you'll see it. We got a really good price on this, and I don't regret paying it. But I'm very super happy with this. So, if you're in the market for a really good blender, I would highly recommend this. I know what this can do. I played with it, and it can do more things than you ever believe. It can do a lot. But if you're looking for a blender, this is what I would go with. Just keep checking things like Amazon for good deals.
For sales.
Because you can get them on sale, no problem. Don't pay $300 because you can find them better than that. So until next time, please hit the like, share, subscribe. Check out www.poulskitchen.com for our cookbooks. Anything we're putting up there will always be in here. I don't know that I'll put I don't know I'm going to put out anything up on the website for this. Just a quick video. So we thank you for your time. Have a great day.